Most people walk through the door and say, whoa, I never had any idea. I never knew this even existed in this country. I thought it was a little room with two guys and a light bulb. Here it is. We see it every day, so we don't think anything of it, but I get around the country. I've yet to go into a place that's even close to this. John Babcock, I'm president here at Powermaster MCI. Been doing this since '81 with the parent company, MCI. We picked up the Powermaster line in 2008. We've actually been building Powermaster under a licensing arrangement since 1999, 2000. Powermaster is known for starting motors, alternators, and power gens, which replace generators. We're known for dependability and durability, and great, killer tech service. Always somebody to help you. Starts with people, ends with people. Our people are seriously devoted. 70 components in every starter and alternator. You better damn well get it right. There's no do-overs. We have 80% of our workforce here 17 years or longer. You buy the brand, you're in the family. In the family means you need help, install help, problem-solving help. You're a phone call away. Don't guess. We do it for a living. Don't guess. Call us. Like we said on the production lines out here, they were at least 100 yards long at Ford. Over here it's, what, 30 feet long? You know why that is? In 30 feet, you only have 50 defects if one thing has slipped by you. In 100 yards, it's stunning numbers. So this is a way, again, to control the process. Every day, control the process. People, it's all about people. Price doesn't dictate what we use on any of the components. You'll make up for it in reduced returns. They hemorrhage you out the bottom line. Plug those holes and the sun comes up and the birds start chirping. It's nice. Steel comes in one door and a finished motor goes out the other door. In between, you're making the frames, you're making the field coils, you're making the armatures, you're getting everything to play nice with each other. All of them built to rigid specifications. We're only as good as the ingredients. It's like a great pizza. You gotta have great sauce, pepperoni to be fine. A lot of things have to come together, and that's exactly what makes our product what it is. the people that put them together. I'm John Babcock, President of Powermaster, and I am PRI.